Anyways, we're at Clay Smith's house today. There we go. It's a little prettier shot of you.
Oh,
so
yeah.
that's just the button that goes up and down.
Okay.
So you can see it.
See what's going on?
Yeah. So, where are you going to put this at?
Right over by the deck.
You'll put it on the deck?
No, put it beside it.
Okay.
And then we'll get it. I'm gonna
Set it right on the deck. Set it right by the back door too.
Yeah, it wouldn't be too bad.
What's that?
That wouldn't be too bad.
Like I said, wherever you want it at, and then if you want me to cut it, I can come back and cut it so that way you can get into it easy. Or you guys can cut it with a grinder.
I'm good. I got 2 boys at the house.
So
I'll put them to work.
Next year we're gonna stack it in there.
Yeah.
Let's have it at a time.
Screwed up your video. About fell over the tree. Terrible cameraman.
Sorry.
Got something.
Damn, it's cold out here. Boys left some shit in there.
Just makes it nice because it's right here at the door.
Yeah.
That's what's nice about the baskets. So you can put it up right next to your door over there. I got one guy loaded it all the way around his deck, and he can come out and just pick them and choose them. And
The dog won't get tangled up in it.
there you go.
Sweet.
All right, man.
I'll give you some money.